Native to Australia and used by Aboriginal people for thousands of years, tea tree oil has incredibly powerful healing and medicinal properties. Hello and welcome to Satthwa's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the benefits of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has countless number of uses. It is used in everything, including cosmetic products like face creams, face washes, and in massaging oils and detergent, household cleaners, etc. Tea tree oil with its powerful antioxidant and antibacterial properties can do wonders for the skin. This oil is highly popular for its over-the-counter skincare products which can relieve ailments like scars, acne, and sometimes skin infections. Tea tree oil has very powerful antiseptic properties which makes it excellent for treating wounds and infections caused by minor cuts, scrapes, and sometimes burns. In fact, it can also help to alleviate the frustrating symptoms of eczema and psoriasis that are basically scalp infections. Excellent for skin inflammation, tea tree oil can actually reduce redness and penetrate deep to heal, soothe, and curb itching. If you want to feel fresh and get rid of the body odor, you can definitely use tea tree oil, which can effectively and naturally kill the bacteria which causes dry body odor. Although antifungal medications are used for treating athlete's foot, but tea tree oil can prove to be a very promising alternative for alleviating the symptoms. It can help in getting rid of the fungal infection that occurs on the feet and toenails and causes peeling of skin, redness, and blisters. Though tea tree oil has a lot of benefits, exercise precaution while using it. Do make it a part of your routine, but also consult your doctor first. That's all for this video. Click here to watch our other videos on essential oil. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.